So SoundHound just had another epic day today. It is Tuesday and it is up nearly 20% on insane volume. According to my back of the envelope calculation, we have more than $2 billion worth of shares traded in just a one day. And I think it was the second highest volume day in SoundHound's entire trading history, which is insane. So in this video, I'll go over what's been driving this rally, why aren't the gaps filling, what's next for the stock price, and finally my game plan for the stock. Before we begin, most of you are not subscribed, so please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that more people get to see these videos. And I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in my videos is for entertainment purposes only, so please seek advice from a financial advisor. With that said, let's dive into it. So what's been driving this rally? Essentially traders and hodlers. Even though not many YouTubers cover this stock, it appears to have a large social media following. There's a thread on Wall Street Bets where people are pumping the stock, and I don't use Twitter or TikTok, but no doubt there's going to be interest there also. To me, it feels like people are trying to turn 2024 into a year of meme stock revival, and SoundHound is the perfect vehicle for it. It's a stock with huge promise in the most popular sector at the moment, AI. I will admit it has junk fundamentals, but that hasn't stopped the meme stock crowd from bidding up stocks like AMC and GME in the past. Furthermore, SoundHound is on the cusp of a revenue breakthrough as its voice AI technology begins commercialization. The current rally may be in anticipation of an increase in revenue in the upcoming earnings report, which is due to be released after market close on Thursday. Next, you may be asking why the price is not going down and filling the initial gap. Indeed, yet another gap formed this morning when the stock gapped up more than $1. So we are getting gap after gap, and people are perplexed as to why they are not getting filled. It basically comes down to the fact that there is huge underlying demand for this stock. Just looking at the huge volume the past 2 weeks, SoundHound doesn't seem to come across as other small caps like CleanSpark or Luna. This is some next level volume, guys. It's serious. Everyone and their dog is trying to get in on this stock. I reckon today's gap up was more of a FOMO move than anything, as people simply got impatient with waiting for a retracement. I would also like to say that gaps don't always fill. It's not a foolproof theory, and you might miss out on huge gains if you wait on the sidelines too long. I would say that perhaps 2/3 of gaps fill, but not all. I made that statistic up on the spot, by the way, so don't quote me on it. So where to from here? In my last video, I talked about how SoundHound is now entering a phase called hype mode, whereby a buying frenzy takes place and the stock goes up many multiples without many pullbacks. Now, if tomorrow we don't get a retracement to fill the gap below $6, I think it's confirmation that we are indeed in hype mode, and I'll be looking for the stock to go above $10 before earnings. At this point, all the people who've been waiting for a retracement here and here will buy in due to FOMO, and this stock will go crazy. Who knows how high this will go. However, if we look at the price action today, it looked like there was a lot of profit taking. It was quite volatile throughout the day, more so than in previous days, and I feel like a lot of people thought SoundHound had run up too much too fast. So tomorrow may see further profit taking and therefore a retracement, but to me it doesn't really matter what happens tomorrow, which leads me to my final point, and that is, what am I doing with my position? Well, I mentioned in my previous video that I'll begin taking profits if it reaches $12 in the near future. I probably won't sell my entire stake, maybe half of it. If it falls though, I'll probably continue to hold because I'm giving it a wide stop. It's a volatile stock, and I feel like I should just let it do its thing. If it falls low enough, I might even buy more, but it's a wait and see approach. So let me know what your entry price is in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get daily updates. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.